Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials I am going to show you how to unzip zip file or how to get the original file from the zip file. Here is my zip file that I wanted to unzip or extract the original files from here. Okay, to do this first I have to select this zip file. To select it first I have to click on the left button of computer mouse. So I'm going to click on the left button of computer mouse. Okay, now it's selected. Then I have to click on the right button of computer mouse to extract or unzip. Okay, I'm going to click on the right button. Now this pop-up dialog box will open. Then from here you can select extract file here to get the original file. So I'm going to click on the extract file here or extract here. Looks here. Here is the original file. So I hope you understand the easy process. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more relevant video like this one. Have a nice day. Bye bye.